meetings with analysts investors on March 27 and 28, 2025. The discussions will adhere to publicly available information, ensuring no unpublished price-sensitive data is shared. A presentation related to the meeting is enclosed and available on the company's website. Though, Safe Harbor, the section presents Himadri Specialty Chemical Limited's financial performance, growth metrics, and strategic outlook for future expansion. Sales volumes increased by 11% to 137,447 MT in Q3 25 and by 24% to 415,679 MT in NOMFY 25. EBITDA rose by 32% year-over-year to Rs. 222 crores in Q3 25 and by 34% to Rs. 611 crores in NOMFY 25, but also increased by 32% year-over-year to Rs. 142 crores in Q3 25 and by 35% to Rs. 400 crores in NOMFY 25. The company reported a net positive cash balance of Rs. 109 crores as of December 31, 2024, and is debt-free. The presentation highlights the company's focus on high-value specialty products and ESG innovations as part of its growth strategy. Theme: Robust growth continues. Sales volumes reached 415,679 MT with a 24% increase, generating Rs. 3,467 CR revenue, up 15%. 4. With sustained increase in profitability. EBITDA and PAT figures show 34% growth, with 9 MFY25 EBITDA at Rs. 611 crores and PAT at Rs. 222 crores. 5. Outcome of strengthening balance sheet. The company has a robust financial performance with a total of Rs. 1,780 crores in fund-based and non-fund-based limits, and an upgraded ICRA rating of AA stable. Upcoming CapEx focuses on high-value specialty products, emphasizing ESG innovations and brand recognition. 6. High-value-added specialty products CapEx. 120 crore रुपए CapEx funded by internal accruals, operations expected in 18 months. 7. Market dynamics of our new high-value-added specialty products. Himadri's forward integration targets high-value specialty products. Anthraquinone $4.96 billion United States dollars in 2023, CAGR 5%, Carbazole $1.2 billion United States dollars in 2023, CAGR 7.2%, and Florin $1.16 billion United States dollars in 2024, CAGR 4.1%. By 2032, Anthraquinone is projected to reach $7.69 billion United States dollars. Carbazole $2.3 billion United States dollars, and Florin $1.73 billion United States dollars by 2034. 8. Strategic rationale. Himadri's initiative aims to eliminate India's reliance on chemical imports, targeting both domestic and global markets while enhancing synergy in its state-of-the-art complex. The new CapEx focuses on high-value specialty products, driving robust financial performance and growth. No, Himadri achieves EcoVadis Platinum Medal. Himadri Specialty Chemical Limited has been awarded the EcoVadis Platinum Medal, ranking in the top 1% of over 130,000 companies globally for sustainability practices, reflecting its commitment to responsible growth. This recognition highlights the company's effective sustainability management system across 4 key themes: environment, ethics, labor or human rights, and sustainable procurement. Thus, strengthening brand presence through industry events. Hosted 15th Carbon Black Perspective in Kolkata, showcase technologies at World of Concrete India 2024. 11. Updates on CapEx and acquisition. The company is investing Rs. 1,125 CR for 40,000 MTPA LFP plant by Q3 27 and Rs. 220 CR for a 70,000 MTPA carbon black line by Q3 FY 26. 12. Opportunities in all the phases of the journey continue. The company is expanding its capacity for specialty carbon black by over 100% and has launched India's first commercial plant for LFP cathode active material, driving robust financial performance and growth. Additionally, it is revitalizing Birla Tyres and focusing on ESG innovations and new high-value specialty products. 13. Direct signatory of UNGC United Nations Global Compact. We joined UNGC, showcasing our commitment to global sustainability and ethical business practices. 14. Where sustainability meets innovation. The text discusses addressing critical raw material needs for lithium-ion batteries in mobility and energy storage. 15. Sustainable business model powered by in-house R&D. 100% of energy from in-house clean power, achieving zero liquid discharge and energy conservation. Solar. Net Zero Roadmap. This section outlines a comprehensive strategy for achieving net zero emissions through innovative carbon capture, recycling, and sustainable practices. The strategy aims to achieve net zero emissions by reducing Scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions, with a target of 30% reduction in Scope 1 by 2023. A 100% elimination of virgin plastic in packaging and a 50% reduction in freight emissions are key goals. The plan includes a 20% reduction in Scope 3 emissions by 2024, scaling successful pilot projects and carbon capture initiatives. Renewable energy consumption will be prioritized, with a target of 100% electrification of operations and 50% use of recycled raw materials. The overall ambition includes achieving a temperature increase limit of 1.5 degrees Celsius by 2050, aligning with science-based targets. 17. Sustainability Objectives 2024 25. The section outlines sustainability objectives, performance metrics, and significant achievements in carbon black production. The company aims for a lost time injury frequency rate below 1 by free 25, improving from 1.18 in free 24. Energy intensity is targeted to reduce by 10% by free 25, with a current reduction of 12.29% in free 24. A 25% reduction in Scope 1 and Scope 2 CO2 emission intensity is planned by free 25, with a current reduction of 24.20%. The company is expanding its specialty carbon black capacity to 130,000 MTPA, making it the largest at a single site with an estimated capex of Rs. 220 crores. Gender diversity in management is targeted to increase female representation by 5%, up from 4.5% in free 24. 18. New specialty carbon black grades. The text describes various specialty carbon blacks, including Onyx, JETEX, Electra, KLAREX, COLORX, BARONX, and VIRTEX, highlighting their applications in industries such as synthetic fibers, plastics, and coatings. These products offer benefits like high purity, low grit levels, and improved dispersibility. Notably, BARONX is recognized for its premium quality in coatings. 19. Sycamore acquisition initiative in line with long-term strategy. Sycamore, an Australian startup, offers silicon composite anode technology that provides 50% to 100% higher capacity than graphite anodes and over 50% increased cell energy density for lithium-ion batteries. The company utilizes scalable manufacturing processes to produce high-performance anode materials for the growing global battery market. 20. Anviti Creations acquisition highlights. Anviti, founded by IIM Kolkata and IIT Kharagpur alumni, focuses on lithium-ion electrode materials and holds a 40% stake for Rs. 45.16 crores, with patented technologies in various applications. The company also develops groundbreaking antiviral drug molecules and engages in R&D across multiple industries. 21. Why Anviti Creations? The company focuses on high-quality lithium-ion battery materials and innovative technologies in the sector. 22. Himadri LFP Cathode Vision. The first commercial plant in India aims to produce 200,000 MTPA of lithium iron phosphate LFP cathode active material for 100 GWh of lithium batteries within 5-6 years. The initiative focuses on sustainable sourcing and innovative R&D, including AI advancements. 23. Where we play a role. Himadri focuses on sustainable lithium chemicals, including refining and cathode material production. 24. Cathode Material Dynamics, Himadri's strategic advancements. The global demand for cathode materials is projected to reach 9.4 million tons annually by 2030, with domestic demand expected to grow to 311 KT of 499 KT. Himadri plans to build India's first commercial LFP cathode plant, producing 200,000 MTPA in phases, starting with 40,000 MTPA by Q3 FY27. 25. Birla Tyres Limited acquisition highlights. Himadri Speciality Chemical Limited and Dalmia Bharat Refractories Limited's resolution plan for Birla Tyres Limited was approved by NCLT on October 19, 2023, following acceptance on August 22, 2023. The transaction is financed through internal accruals and debt, with asset revamping in progress. 26. Value acquisition. Replacement cost is Rs. 3,400 crores, requiring 36 months, with land for future expansion. 27. Birla Tyres Limited turnaround opportunity. Himadri is advancing into the tyre sector, leveraging a deep understanding of the industry where 70% of global carbon black production is used. The company aims to enhance its product portfolio and geographical reach through strategic acquisitions and sustainable practices. 28. 2010. The text discusses critical raw materials for lithium-ion batteries, including coal tar pitch and carbon black. 29. 2022 onwards. 30. Applications across industries. The text outlines various industries including paints, construction chemicals, and lithium-ion batteries, highlighting key players like Hindalco and Apollo Tyres, emphasizing innovation and specialized products. It mentions significant sectors such as power, defense, and infrastructure. 30. Sustainable growth in core business through value-added products. Himadri continues to achieve strong growth in its core business, developing specialized pitch and critical materials for lithium-ion batteries, while launching application-specific carbon blacks for various industries. The company emphasizes R&D for next-generation products and has established backward integration for battery materials. 32. Positioned strong to cater to the global demand for LIB raw materials. Li-ion battery demand is projected to grow by 33% annually, reaching approximately 4,700 gigawatt-hours by 2030, with significant contributions from mobility, stationary storage, and consumer electronics. Himadri aims to enhance its role in LIB raw materials and recycling, addressing a 25% annual increase in F-battery recycling by 2040. The CO2 emissions from nickel-based Li-ion battery production can be reduced by 28% using recycled materials compared to virgin raw materials. 30. Primary cathode active material used now NMC or LFP. LFP batteries utilize lithium iron phosphate for improved safety and energy efficiency, featuring a crystalline structure that enhances conductivity. They deliver constant voltage with a non-toxic composition, outperforming cobalt-based alternatives. 40. Unparalleled access to growth opportunities. Strong R&D and strategic location support a global management team addressing lithium-ion battery raw material needs. 30. Financial performance. The section presents the financial results for Q3 FY25, comparing them with previous quarters and highlighting key performance metrics. Net revenue from operations for Q3 FY25 was Rs. 1,131.81 crore, reflecting a 7.53% year-on-year growth. Gross profit increased by 24.44% year-on-year to Rs. 368.56 crore in Q3 FY25. EBITDA for Q3 FY25 rose by 31.79% to Rs. 222.34 crore, with a 10.42% increase from Q2 FY25. Profit before tax reached Rs. 205.79 crore, marking a 37.87% increase compared to Q3 FY24. The profit for the year was Rs. 141.94 crore, a 31.56% rise from the previous year. Total comprehensive income for Q3 FY25 was Rs. 154.77 crore, up 42.25% year-on-year. For the 9 months ending FY25, net revenue was Rs. 3,466.79 crore, a 15.25% increase from the same period last year. The company reported a significant reduction in finance costs, down to Rs. 11.71 crore from Rs. 21.17 CR in Q3 FY 24।